to give diplomacy lessons, Bobby.
I call it the way I see it. That's my job.
James.
And he's yours.
Wait for me.
Shut the door. I promised the American people I would do something about the drugs pouring into this country.
You are. Support the Colombians' efforts against the cartels with equipment and training.
Accomplish nothing.
Well,
What do these drug dealers think? We're powerless? Is that what they think? They think they can keep doing this kind of thing and there's no response, ever.
are you suggesting a course of action, sir?
Course of action I'd suggest is a course of action I can't suggest.